Here at Meyer Truck Equipment, we specialize in commercial upfitting for heavy duty and light duty trucks, van equipment, as well as truck accessories of various types of brands. We do everything from custom paint to spray lining all the way to decals and wraps of vehicles. This particular build is for a local propane company for hauling 500 to 1,000 pound propane tanks to and from the residential or commercial locations. It is outfitted with a custom knapheide heavy hauler with torsion floor bed and center mounted pedestal, along with a custom designed workbench bumper. It has a Venturo 7,800 pound 30-foot crane, as well as Venturo hydraulic outriggers. It has Chelsea PTO and pump and all necessary hydraulic hoses and fittings. All of this would not be possible without our expert technicians. Here at Meyer Truck, we make your truck work for you.